Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Business confidence has seen its first decline since the second quarter of 2018. However, it still remains high. Consumer confidence, however, recorded a new record high.
The Jamaica Chamber of Commerce Business and Consumer Confidence Indices released yesterday show that business confidence dipped to 150.7 points for the second quarter of 2019. That's compared to the 151.3 points recorded for the first quarter. Managing Director of Market Research Services Don Anderson says the dip does not represent a meaningful change over the first quarter. The JCC says, however, the dip shows a possible correlation between crime and confidence. They've also cited the fluctuating foreign exchange rates as a major concern. Meanwhile, companies not realizing their projected profits were also seen as contributors to the dip. 55% of firms expected a profit for the quarter. That's a drop from 62% in the first quarter. Consumer confidence, however, reached a new record high. That's 183 points compared to 178 points in the first quarter. Don Anderson says this does not come as a surprise, as data over the years indicate that consumers tend to be more unpredictable than businesses in their perspective of the economy. The increased confidence is linked to more consumers expecting new jobs and seeing new jobs being created, while others have expressed confidence in the government's initiatives.
Gas prices are to rise for the third straight week tomorrow. Almost $3 will be added to each litre of gasoline. The increase takes the price of the fuel to the highest it's been in 6 weeks. They are, however, still below the 2019 high they reached at the end of April. Automotive diesel will, however, fall by more than $1, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will go down by $1.60. Kerosene will be hiked by just over 80 cents. LPG propane will also be increased by 33 cents, while butane is up by 74 cents. Advertising and production company The Lab is the latest entity to unveil plans to go public. The company released its prospectus today. The company hopes to list on the JSE Junior Market if it's successful in raising over $189 million. The company's shares in the initial public offering IPO will be priced at $1 each. The offer opens on July 17 and will close on or before the 31st of July. And on the market now, the JSE index today saw a decline compared to yesterday's record rally. The index lost more than 2,609 points. The junior market index, however, gained 18 points. Top performers today include Jetcon Corporation, Blue Power Group, Jamaica Stock Exchange, AMG Packaging and Paper, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. Among those recording losses were Epley, 138 Student Living, KLE Group, Sterling Investments, and Main Event Entertainment Group. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.48. The Canadian dollar cost $104.85. Sterling is going for $166.93, while the euro sold for an average of $152.23. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.